Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, halogen headlamps, steering wheel controls, MP3, Uconnect system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2014 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, FWD, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.